Just got the haircut. About to get some food. Sun's bright. It's 10:30 a.m.
I'm on.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
They do.
Cali friends in town. 10:30 a.m. I'm never on the strip, and they got me out here pretty early to eat. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast and see what happens. And where we at? Mandalay Bay?
We are at Mandalay Bay.
Mandalay Bay. I'm gonna ask them how much it costs just for a smiley face tattoo because they're just chilling. I just want to get a tattoo real quick.
Just put it on his butt cheek.
I'm actually kind of curious how much it will cost just to put like a small happy face on me. Just like 2 lines and then, or 3 lines basically.
Start at $200. So
starts at $200 for 3 lines. They wanted $200 minimum just to draw 3 lines. So I'm already got a tattoo for the vlog, but not paid $200 for 3 lines. MMA Radio. This is the studio. These guys are big fans, so they came to visit their friends. Check out the channel.
Alright, everybody check out MMA Junkie Radio on SiriusXM. We're on Channel 93. It's Fight Nation.
I just came home real quick just to take a quick nap. Waking up that early was not for me. Usually I wake up around 11, 12, 1 in the afternoon. I got a few hours sleep and woke up at 8 and then met up with the guys. Went to breakfast around 10 or 11. Anyways, we were talking about the tattoo, and basically I want to show you guys something. So this one right here. Alright. So that tattoo was about $1,000, okay? And basically it was done by a guy who was on TV for, what was it, Ink Master or something? Now, this, they want to charge $200 for. So that's why I'm like, no, I'm not paying $200 for a happy face, which is 3 lines. $200? No. When this, something like this is like $1,000. Alright, so we bought a bottle of Fireball, and this is what's left. Double fisting. We're at shit. We're at Ellis Island. My first time here.
Your first time here?
Yeah. I heard they have cheap food. I have not.
And they brew their own pisto.
I live here, but I haven't been here. We're about to go check out some spot where I guess Tupac got shot, or they have a memorial or something. I'm buzzing pretty hard. It's still early, but we came here because Mikey's gonna do some karaoke. Made it downtown. Alright, so what we're doing is we put $20 each into the slot machine. Got James, Michael. Plug your channel. What's your channel?
Fam88 Win Slot Vids.
He has a YouTube channel for slots. I'm gonna link it in the description. Check it out. Hopefully we win $20 each. Alright, see what happens.
What were we saying?
Alright guys, so I'm like a Famous Days fan. Like barbecue, Famous Days, #1. But right now I'm at Red Rock Casino. Some noise going on over there. And I'm about to try Lucille's barbecue. I heard it was really good. And hopefully I heard right. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to puke. It's not that the food was gross. I just I overate by a lot. The spinach dip, I was kind of getting full with the chips. And then the tri-tip sandwich and the ribs came. Stuffed. Tri-tip sandwich was good. Ribs are okay. I prefer Famous Dave's ribs, but the tri-tip sandwich was really good. With the tip, the check was about $55. A $55 meal. I hate spending that much money on food, especially one meal, but it was pretty good.